Hi, today we will discuss about cocoapods, how we can install the cocoapods using terminal. So the before going to that concept, what is the purpose of cocoapods? Why you are using cocoapods in our iOS? The cocoapods means this is a popular dependency manager for Shift and Objective C. So whenever we need to add any third-party libraries to your project, first we need to install that pod file into your project. So this is what we will discuss and we will learn today. So before going to that one, I will take I will show you how many types of projects are there cocoapods. So here we learn cocoapods. So we'll go to this. So here see cocoapods is a dependency manager for Shift and Objective C. So it is over 84,000 libraries and is used in over 3 million apps. So how its installation and get started and create any pod file. If you want to create your own pod file, how you can create your own pod file. All the concepts here. So first we can learn about how we can install the cocoapods. The mainly cocoapods is developed by Ruby language. So the Ruby language means we have some terminals based on some commands we can install it and we will add that pod into our projects. Okay, here I will take xcode, create one demo project. Okay, I will write the name like pod installation demo. I'm using language shift storyboard, saving on desktop. Okay, this is our view controller, and here we see the project structure is like this. Before cocoapods installation, the project should be like this. Click on this one, show hand. If you see pod installation like this, only pod installation demo.xcode project. Okay. Now I am integrating the cocoapods to my project. So how we can integrate the cocoapods to my project use by using terminal. We can give some commands, then automatically we will add that our project address, those things. So here we have the installation process there. Okay, click on Cocoapod, go to Google, and we can learn how we can how how we can install the cocoapods to your project. All this the in documentation is everything is should be clear only. So now I am open terminal. Here first thing is we need to install cocoapods. So sudo gem install, this is the command. You just copy it and here we can paste it. So already I am in my MacBook, already installed the cocoapods, so I am not using this command. If you are using also, okay, no problem, I am using just to see the how we can it's coming, what are the if you is there. Here see we there once we enter this command, here it's asking password. This is the word system password. So I am entering my system password. So once you enter the password, it will start the installation process. So done the installation. Well, because of I'm already installed successfully installed cocoapods version 1.10.1. So is installation completed. Next, this is our project. So I need to add cocoapods to my project. So first thing is we have some commands is there. Based on that commands we can install. See pod install means I will write the commands here. So and in my description also I will give these comments clearly. Whoever freshers or learner beginner of this course follow these steps and we can easily learn. Slowly we can do 3-4 projects, then definitely we will remember these commands easily. First thing is cd. Cd means wherever the current project is there, we'll add that current project address here. So as of now my present project is on my desktop, right? So this is cd space. I'm directly drag this folder to here. So directly here it will come in the slash users slash ramready slash desktop slash pod installation demo address will become where exactly my project is there. Okay, next I will click on enter. So once I will give the my address of the project, after that I will write on pod init. So by using this command, the initialization should be on pod initialization should be created on pod file will be created. Before that I will close any current xcode project is open. Please close all current xcode projects. So once I close my xcode, after that I will click on enter button. So the pod initialization should be going on background. Once it's done, now it's completed. If you see, go to here. If you see here, we have some pod file is coming. See, previous we have only these files only. Whenever I click on this pod init, the pod file will be came. So I want to open that pod file and I need to add some third-party libraries. So as of now today I will show like Alma file. Otherwise I will show the IQ keyboard pod file. So click on this. Yes, see we will show the IQ keyboard pod file. So just I'm adding this pod file. Okay. Now I am going to terminal. Here now its pod installation is completed. I need to open this pod file. I need to open. Okay, if you see all are showing two pads. Okay, this pod file I need to open and after that I will enter this pod. First I will open this pod file. Open pod file. See exactly our pod file is open. This is our project name pod installation and this is the platform versions. So we don't need anything here. Just we don't need anything. Just here use frameworks is there, no? Just below here we will write the whatever your third party library installation framework, just you can add it. Just copy and go to textedit, copy it, but save. just close, open terminal, here pod install. Okay, then automatically you see the dependency manager of IQ keyboard manager shift is already complete. Installation should be completed. So here see one note is there. Please close any current Xcode sessions and use pod installation demo xworkspace. So before installation of this pod, only we have xcode project is there. So now we will see this. Before this one is there, after installation of xcode terminal, sorry, after installation of pod file, pod installation demo.xc workspace came. The workspace means this workspace contains projects and libraries, all contents inside of space. Okay, now here what they said, please close any current xcode sessions and use pod installation demo. So if you want any open this project, just close it and open this one. Okay, I am open. Okay, see here pod installation demo and pods. You see our pod file. So previously I am installing this pod file. So this is our library IQ. Those all library related codes will be available here. So these two projects folder should be under workspace. So I need to open project demo amplet. Here I need to import. So before that, once we can product clean and build, so that everything should be in fast. So whenever we need to write something, automatically by default the xcode tool will be sent. So now I will give import. See, import came IQ keyboard manager shift. So here this pod file will be came. So now I need to write anything IQ keyboard manager dot shift like that. So I need to write whatever the framework IQ manager start should enable true. So this shared where it is there, this is in the library. So this is all the libraries. So the main purpose of IQ keyboard is easy. Whenever the keyboard is appear, it automatically moves. Screen will be moves up. Okay, this is the way. Only these are the commands: pod install, open pod file, pod init, and your project address. These three only. Okay. I will give the clear the whatever I am using commands. These commands I will write on description. Okay, please check on my description. All the comments is there. Whoever freshers, this is most helpful. This is simple only. At the time of freshers, so what they are doing small mistake means they are doing pod installation already completed, but they are open this project, xcode project, but there's the inside the terminal they clearly said, please close any pod current xcode sessions and open pod installation demo.xc workspace. Okay, so initial the freshers mostly doing, they are opening pod installation demo. So whoever seen my video, they are not doing like that. Okay, directly they are opening pod installation workspace. The workspace contains there are all libraries and projects, utilities, etc. So in my next video I will show how the project structure will be going. If they are freshers, will go to some company, then they don't know how the maintain the structures of project. So where the controllers is there, where the views are there, how to arrange the project structure. So next video I will clearly explain. Okay, thanks for watching.